Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rochelle and this is Discocurlstv. If you're new here, welcome. My channel provides tips on how to care for your fine curly hair so that you feel empowered and supported to be the best version of yourself. Today's video is done in collaboration with Naturally Curly and it's all about 4 ways to reactivate your stretched postpartum curls. So things really started to change for me when I was deep into my pregnancy. I noticed that my roots were becoming a lot looser and they were more of a wave texture. And I didn't think anything of it because I was pregnant and that's just part of the way it goes, right? Well, here I am 10 months postpartum and those waves at the root are still there. Many of you have shared with me that this also happened to you postpartum, and in some cases, the curls reverted back, and in others, it was permanent. I'm not sure what direction my curl pattern is headed, but what I do know is that I have found a few solutions to help reactivate my stretched postpartum curls. So if you'd like to see how I do this, just keep watching. My first solution is plopping. Whether you have fine curly hair or not, plopping is an easy way to remove excess water and product from the hair to help reduce frizz, keep curls defined and springy, and lift at the roots. So if your curls are falling flat, this is a simple way to bring the bounce back. I especially like overnight plopping because it holds the volume for a longer period of time. The next solution is using a spray gel. This has been a newer discovery for me that has really helped my stretched roots on second day hair. Unfortunately, just spraying water or leave-in conditioner into my roots isn't cutting it anymore. It used to bring the curl back, but my roots are just not having it. I've been using the Curl Maker by Diva, and how I use this is by spraying it directly onto the dry, stretched area and gently massaging the product in. Then I do some light scrunching and let it air dry. You can literally see that my curls are noticeably tighter. Now this is a very strong hold and it's a bit on the stiff side, but when it dries, you can shake it out to soften up the curl cast. The strong hold from this really helps your curls from falling flat, plus it creates shrinkage right where you need it. Another solution I love is the Q-Redew. I've done quite a few videos using the Q-Redew because it has so many uses, but specifically for this topic, I like it for reshaping and adding volume at my flat roots. The Q-Redew is a handheld vapor wand that produces warm steam and it produces enough humidity to shrink the curls a bit. So I like to use this on second or third day dry hair by placing the prongs near my scalp and adding the warm steam. You can instantly see the flat areas expand, and although this isn't creating definition, it does tighten the area up enough to create volume. My last solution is adding finger coils. If certain strands are limp compared to others, using finger coils can train the curls to match the others. You can add these on individual stretched curls, or you can do the entire head to have a consistent look. If you use a strong hold styler, finger coils can last over a week and hold their pattern. To create a finger coil, spritz the area with water or leave-in conditioner, then smooth a small amount of your favorite gel or styling cream to the area. Take the wet strand and twist it around your index finger in its natural direction. Then scrunch well and repeat on any other stretched curls. Let the curls air dry or diffuse for faster results. Well, that's going to wrap up this video. I'd love to hear from you all on your favorite products, tools, and methods to reactivate your stretched curls down below in the comments. If you're new to the Fine Curly crew, I'd love to have you subscribe so that you never miss another video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.